What is an instructional designer? An instructional designer is an expert in solving learning and performance-related problems. For example, when you want to build your dream house, who will you hire? I bet you'll hire an architect to design the plan for your house. The same goes for instructional designers, they don't build houses but instructions. So, you can call an instructional designer a learning and performance architect because they solve learning and performance-related problems within organizations such as K-12 institutions, colleges and universities, military, healthcare and business organizations. Instructional designers use a set of procedures and techniques to solve both learning and performance problems known as instructional design. For example, you can hire an instructional designer to develop a new training or revise existing training programs for your organization. This training can be instructor-led training, blended training, combining both online and classroom training, or fully online training. Instructional designers have a wide range of expertise including learning theories, educational technology, human performance technology and instructional design. So, if you're looking for a learning and performance architect or instructional designer, my team and I can help you solve your most challenging learning and performance issues. Learn more at www.learningproducer.com.